Morning folks, welcome back. I'm so embarrassed. I'm going fishing with one of my subscribers. He's been very loyal to me ever since I started. He said, let's go fishing. I said, yeah, sure. I promised him. Be at the boat ramp at 5:30. The time now is 5:56 and I've still got another 20-minute drive to the boat ramp. I'm absolutely furious because I cannot stand being late for a fishing trip. Oh, you know, I just hope it's not a bad karma for today. Oh, come on, mate, hurry up, get off the bloody road. We're going fishing, hurry up. Okay, viewers, we've only made it to the water. I've got my mate here on board. He's a bit shy, but I'll just let him to say hello. Amanda, welcome to the show, mate.
How you going?
That's it, mate. We've got to catch heaps or what?
Oh, few, many.
Good stuff. Anyway, enough of the introductories and pleasantries. We're going to go out there hunting and we're going to get, hopefully, big ones and plenty. Amanda, you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you after?
Look over there. Dolphins. Many. Woo! Look at that. Whoa, they're coming right for us.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful, right here.
Going away from the boat.
Oh, beautiful.
Because I'm here.
Yeah. Mate, I've never seen so many. We're too busy talking about theories and I didn't get a chance to show you this one here, but there you go, first one for the day. Look, what do you reckon, Armando? How long did this take us? How long did it take us to get this?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Alright, well we're fishing here for 3 hours, so do the maths. I think we should have bought a bigger boat.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Righto. Oh, and he's come off. Fucking idiot. No, my fault now. He's not bad. There you go. Lovely. It's starting to pick up. Going up. It's starting to pick up. One you come off.
Fuck. I wasn't pulling hard, you know? I was just coming slowly.
Sometimes you got to set the hook. Oh! Porca!
Again!
Fucking camera! I'm turned up. I'm on to fix up the fucking thing. Quick, they're on! We already lost a couple because we were piss farting around with this stupid GoPro. Now this one here just took off. Oh, you see him on the surface, mate.
Huge.
Oh! Now when the Calamari take out the drag, you know he's a stonker. Yeah, get the fucking net. So oh! Woo! Let's go. Thank you.
Oh shit, this is a wild.
There's a big one, boops. Oh,
God.
woo! Oh,
my God.
lucky, huh?
Lucky.
Don't ever.
Oh my God, this is
Big one.
that's an octopus.
Woo! Hey.
Lovely, well done. This is one I lost before.
That is a stonker. I'm gonna. That one yet or what? Good size one here, mate.
Yeah.
Well, it's not too bad. Just on the leg. Oh, one underneath. See him? Yeah. That's right, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's competition. Oh! Come on. Good pop. Okay, good rod action there, Monday.
Don't watch and learn, okay?
Yeah, mate. Learn from anybody. Oh, he's a good one. Mucho gordo.
Mucho gordo. No, this is mucho flaco.
There you go, mate.
This is the best looking squid so far.
That's it.
Huh?
Now, who gave you the squid jig?
That's mine. Is it?
Yes, it. Good stuff. Yeah, you fired up here,
Remember,
mate.
that's my jig.
Oh, it's a nice one, mate. That's good.
Nice, baby.
So the sunshine comes up. Oh, that's
Tardo.
Hey, Lolimba. That's alright. It's all uncensored here, mate. Oh, get another one. What do we got here? Oh, it's a pump. I like how they grab it with both of their tentacles.
Yeah.
You know? It just shows that he really wanted to eat it.
He wanted to get away. Use both legs.
That's it. This is because we're about to go home.
Always catching one at the beginning, one at the end.
Here on the hand line, and I'm using a Gangcraft. It's a white one. I haven't used it for quite some time. There you go. So here's another one on the boat. I thought we were meant to be going home.
No, not anymore.
Not anymore. All right, we better bring up the loved ones. We'll be back maybe for dinner.
In the future.
Oh, you bastard! Did he? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, did you see that? We're just about to finish off our fishing trip here. Bit of action. The southwest is picking up. The sound quality on the GoPro is not as good as my other camera, but anyway, I hope you guys can hear us. Amanda, what do you reckon, mate?
Oh, I reckon I got one.
You got one? Oh, bit of weight. Yep. How's that for the timing?
You need to leave the camera on all the time.
Oh, yeah, he's all the way at the back there. Nice and easy, man. Take it easy. Take it easy. sign off for the day. Armando, you've done a good job there, mate.
Thank you, thank you.
See you next time.
See you later. Yeah.
Saluto. Good.
Buon appetito.